Hi, this is Javad Seif. I'm a postdoctoral research associate at the Reliability and Maintainability Center of the University of Tennessee. And here I am to answer a few questions about reliability and maintainability engineering.
How do you use or think that you can use R&M in your work or future job?
I do use R&M, reliability and maintainability, and the techniques that I learned here at UT in my research. My research is about advanced flight and maintenance planning and scheduling, which requires integrating prognostics, which means to know, to predict when the components are going to fail. As you know, an aircraft has thousands of components. We identify the major components and make prognostic models that tell us when the components are going to fail, and we incorporate those information, those predictions, into flight and maintenance planning and scheduling, which maximizes the availability of the fleet and hence readiness of the fleet. Yeah.
How can you see R&M being used in new applications, and do you have any future ideas?
I think as we move forward, these predictive models will be built into the products. So I see in the future that assets are sort of self-maintaining, or at least can communicate with us, tell us, hey, this thing needs to be changed, like we have now on our cars, but in a condition-based sense, which means, for example, it is actually monitoring what's going on inside the equipment or components.
What do you think can be done to get more engineering students interested in R&M?
I think something that students, engineering students need to know is that the actual jobs that are out there in industry, only a small portion of those jobs are for design and designing new products. A lot of them require you to just know the processes and maintain them. And to do that, to support the production. And to do that, you need to have a good understanding of both reliability and maintenance techniques. And this just gives you an advantage over other candidates, and it helps you have more options when you think about jobs.
What made you decide to get involved with R&M?
In 2005, I had an internship in one of the major airports, and then I got introduced to the basic concepts of maintenance and reliability, and I just became very interested in it, and I wanted to be an expert in the field and know everything about it. So that's how I got it.